Hello friends, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate and love you guys so much. So in this video, I would like to share my Lush haul for the Boxing Day sale. So as you may or may not know, Lush has one sale a year. It is the day after Christmas, December 26th. On Boxing Day, which is a holiday in the UK, and all of their holiday things are 50% off. So not only Christmas, but also Halloween, anything that's being discontinued, all of that stuff was 50% off. So I'm like, oh my gosh. So I actually prepped, okay? So I had my cart loaded. I logged in. I did my shopping online, actually. I have a humongous box here, and look, it looks like I have some busted items in there. So I'm like, oh no, because these things are no longer available. But I loaded my cart like a week before the sale, you guys. I'm talking $500 worth of product. I'm not even kidding. So the sale actually went live Eastern Standard Time at 9 a.m. And I was there. I was at my computer. I was ready to go. And as soon as it turned 9 o'clock, I hit pay. And I got spinning propeller time. Spinning. So I'm like, oh no, what's happening? So I like backed out. And then I went back in. And already, like literally like 2 minutes later, one of the items had been removed from my cart. It was a bath bomb, Jingle Bells, I think. The little pretty white bath bomb with the pink bow on it, and when you shake it, you can hear like sleigh bells, and it smells like zest. So, and I love that one, but it sold out in like 2 minutes, okay? But other than that, it was pretty uneventful. I got most of my items, and I'm like, yay! So let's just go ahead and jump in here, okay? 'Cause I have so much. So I am in love with their bath oils, and they don't have many left. They're being discontinued. But the Double Vitality, oh my gosh. This little thing, it smells like peppermint and, what is it? Peppermint and orange. But it's got like 2 cookies with cream on the inside. And I actually, you can make your I don't want to break this because this kind of, okay. So like you can really make your bath oil stretch with this one. I put 1/2 in my bath with a bath bomb or a bubble bar or whatever I'm using in the winter because I have such dry skin. But yeah, so I got a lot of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I don't like shopping online because look at this. It's a mess in there. Oh my gosh. So I think that, no, 6. So I got 6 of those. Oh my gosh. And then, ooh, everything is such a mess, you guys. But I got dusting powder, Snow Fairy. And I actually love this stuff. It's just like a pink glittery powder. And you can use it for spots that sweat. I actually use this as a deodorant sometimes and that sort of thing. But I love this. Pink sparkles. And it smells of Snow Fairy, which is like a bubble gum, like candy. Super, super, super duper sweet scent, which I love. And then I picked up, how many of these? The Baked Alaska soap. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are like citrus heaven. This is like lemon, lime. Oh, it's just so bright and citrusy and fruity and so pretty. And it's like, it's called Baked Alaska, but they literally slice it in the store. And some of, see, like this one has more pink in it. Oh my gosh. I love this stuff. So yeah, super duper excited about having some of those on hand. And then I picked up Golden Wonder. I love this bath bomb so much. It looks like a little present. And, ooh, the dust. I hope I don't sneeze. Oh, that dust just like went right up my nostrils. My room smells amazing, you guys. I walked in, I'm like, what is that smell? Because I opened the Lush box. It smells like Lush in here. I have so much stuff. But this is, I think it's like lime and something sweet. But inside, this is turquoise with little stars. So cute. I love this bath bomb. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I don't have COVID, I promise. But it's just the Lush dust is everywhere. So Golden Wonder, I got one, two, so far. And then, OMG, you guys, this is a mess. Look at this. Can you see that? I don't know what busted, but yeah. But this stuff, the Snow Fairy body conditioner, was new for this year, and talk about obsessed. Okay, so this is like, oh, I love the way Snow Fairy smells, but see how thick and creamy it is? It's so moisturizing, and this is literally a body conditioner. So just like you condition your hair, this is skin conditioner. So after you cleanse yourself and everything and rinse off, slather this on. You can let it sit on for a couple minutes and then rinse it off, and you don't even need lotion after you use this. I'm obsessed, completely obsessed with this stuff. So I got a lot of it. Let's see, how much did I get? I got 1, 2, 3. Oh, my box. I'm going to have to probably call them. I don't know. What? And Lush is really good about that too. If you receive products that are damaged, you can always call, you can always call customer service and they will replace it for you. But the problem with that is these items are no longer available, because I think within an hour, most of the Christmas stuff was sold out. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that is such a mess. 6. I think that's it. That's it. Like, you know. But yeah, I think that's it. Oh, here's another Double Vitality Bath Oil. And, oh, I got a lot. And more Double Vitality Bath Oils. Yeah, I stocked up because the bath oils are going away, unfortunately. Ooh, Bath Bomb Lush Pud. And this is almost destroyed, but it's intact. And this, oh, I love this. I love the colors. It creates like this beautiful, like, foamy color bath. I love it so much. And this just smells like sweet, sweet candy to me. And I love it. Okay. And I got another Golden Wonder bath bomb. I just basically like kind of just stocked up on things that I fell in love with. Oh, this is destroyed. Okay, so I got a Holly Golightly Wonder Ball, and this actually smells like Avo Bath, like the avocado bath bomb. But this is like 3 bath bombs in one with like bubble dust inside. And I'm not going to take it out because it is literally in pieces in there. So, but I did another, I did a Christmas Lush haul, and I will actually link that up here for you and in the comment section down below so you can see what this looks like when it's not crushed. And Snow Fairy. I know I got a lot of Snow Fairy stuff. Snow Fairy Bubble Bar Roll, Bubble Roll. I love Snow Fairy. It is super duper sweet and candy-like, which I love. Oh, another bath oil, Double Vitality, and another Golden Wonder bath bomb. I got so much stuff, you guys, but I'm happy because I spend a lot of money on Lush, so the fact that I could get some things for half off is really incredible to me. Okay, I got another Holly Golightly Wonder Ball. This one seems to be intact. And another one, Holly Golightly. And another one. Oh, this one's bad. Woo. Okay. I don't know about that. Lush, I may. And this one's not too bad. Another Holly Golightly. And another Lush Pud Bath Bomb. I am set for a little bit. Maybe set for a month. 2 more Lush Puds. This one's pretty broken up. Yeah. It's okay. We will be okay. Then I got another. What is this? I love how they put these in their own little individual bags. Another Snow Fairy Bubble Roll. And I feel like I'm missing stuff. Like, I really feel like I got a lot more than this. I'm going to have to do an inventory check. Okay. Another Golden Wonder. Because I don't know why. I love that one so much. Maybe because it's gold and it looks like a present. Another Lush Pud. Another Snow Fairy Bubble Roll. I'm going to be set for Snow Fairy. Oh, I knew it was something else that sold out before the sale. I wanted to stock up on the Snow Fairy body spray because I love it, but it was sold out before Boxing Day even got here. Another Snow Fairy Bubble. And I picked up a Secret Santa gift. Oh, this is terrible. The packaging situation, it's like, who shipped this? FedEx. It's like FedEx was mad, like, oh, I have to work through the holidays, and they were just like throwing it around because it has Fragile on the box, but they didn't care. And this packaging is so cute, and it's like destroyed, but I don't remember what's in this. So let's go ahead and open it and find out. That paper's a mess anyway. There's no way I could gift that to anyone. This gift was lovingly packaged by Ruby's team. Thank you, Ruby. And I just got another nostril full of Lush Dust. Oh yes, I remember now. The candy cane bubble bar that smells like candy, like sweet candy. It doesn't even smell like peppermint, but these were sold out, so that's why I ended up getting this gift box, because I really like that one. What else came in here? Oh, and the snowman with the colors bubble bar, and I think that's it for that gift. And packing slip. And I feel like I know that I ordered a lipstick. I know I did, because I actually, and it's not in here. Yeah, that's it. I have previously ordered, they came out with some lipsticks for the holiday. I'm actually wearing the red one right now, and I love it. It's more like a matte, but it's also moisturizing at the same time. But it's like naked, so you have to buy, this is a refill, so it has a little strip. You remove the plastic strip, and then you can access the lipstick. But they have reusable lipstick holders, and I bought one 50% off, and it's not in here. And I don't believe this is everything that I ordered, so I'm really going to have to double check that. But I love this lipstick, the red one, and I also got the gold one, which is a little bit more intact. And you can see here, I kind of been just like sticking a Q-tip in there and using this one as well. But yeah, that is odd, because I was totally looking forward to that. So I'm going to have to, yeah, see here? And it's on here, but I did not receive it. Okay, Lush. What's up with that, you guys? So yeah, I'm going to have to call them. And plus, I got some items that are really, really destroyed that I really I mean, this is supposed to be like 3-in-1, and I basically can't use that as 3-in-1. So I'm going to have to place a call. Look. And it's not their fault. Lush is so wonderful, but this is FedEx's fault. I mean, maybe it's Lush's fault because they do have those like those dividers that they could have easily put in here and stacked, and this situation probably wouldn't have happened because this lid is like off and my expensive body conditioner has spilled all over everything, but I'm happy. So I'm going to have to just take inventory because this is like $500 worth of stuff, but I am missing some items. It's okay. I know Lush will take care of me, but thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. I know this was a rather long video, but I really appreciate you guys. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video, friends. Bye.